Hello, boss buddies. We are back again with another video for you guys. And as you can see, I am at the craft table, guys. How's everyone doing? Y'all, I told you I would be giving you videos back to back to back, especially for Valentine's Day, guys. We have money to make and we have designs to make. So I want to make sure that my boss buddies are up and on their game so that when the week of Valentine's come, you are ready to fill your bag, okay? So, guys, these are the salsa plates that I made. First, let me slow down, guys. For those of you, guys or gals, for those of you that are on my channel for the first time, I need you to like, share, comment, and please subscribe. And for my Boss Buddy community that's already rocking with me, welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for all the constant videos you are watching back to back. I really do appreciate it. And I hope and pray that this is encouraging you guys to get in your bag even the more, okay? And what I mean by getting your bag, for those of you that do not know, I hope you are filling your pockets with money as you are learning different and unique tips and tricks in the gift basket trade, okay? Or business trade, because we don't want to just talk about gift baskets, guys. I can help you out with so many different business ventures, okay? Anyway, these are the saucer plates that I made on a previous video. And if I don't forget, like I always do, I will link it in the description bar below. But guys, I want to bring attention to the appearance of three different but similar gifts, okay? So I always tell you guys to make sure that you're putting bows on your gifts. Even if you don't know how to make bows, now is the perfect time to learn. And you'll never learn if you never try. And if you try and it don't come out right, then keep trying. I promise you, you will get it eventually. But I want to show you guys a couple of simple ways to make bows in case you do not know how to make the traditional style bow like this. Okay, it's so many ways you can make bows. But guys, I promise you, if you pay attention to my videos, you will learn how to make bows. It's very, very simple. Do not make it more complicated than what it is, boss buddies, okay? All right, but I want to show you guys and give you a scenario, okay? On this channel, it's all about bossing up. It's about bettering ourselves and taking authority in our business and in our lives, okay? So I want to give you a scenario of these three items. The items within the baskets or in the platters are exactly the same. All three are exactly the same. But I want to bring to your attention, if you were a customer and you were to walk up to my vending table and these three platters was there. This would be one. This would be two. And this would be three. Which ones do you feel that people would be more susceptible about buying? Of course, the two that has the bows on them, because the appeal is much greater and it's much cuter to buy a gift that has a bow. It looks completed, right? So a lot of times people are just selling baskets or platters or whatever you're selling without the finished touch. I want you guys to know that details matter, okay? Just put in the comments, details matter. Details are what's going to cause your bank to overflow, okay? Not just making money and being able to pay your light bill and your rent. No, if you want your pockets to overflow, then do the techniques and tricks that I tell you, and I promise you it will be a game changer for your sales, okay? So let me give you a quick, I've done this before, but I'm going to go back because not everyone go back to watch old videos, which I recommend, by the way. Go back, watch old videos. I don't care if it was from last year when I first started YouTube. Go back and watch old videos because the information is still the same, okay? It's still the same. So what we're going to do for people that are not quite ready to step out and make the traditional style bow, which you should be, okay? If you're following Birthing Bosses with Felicia, by now you should have already attempted to make that type of bow, okay? Even if you fail. But if you're not ready to step out there in that water, get you some of this sheer tool. That's what it's called. I could not remember the name of that yesterday on my channel. Just cut, okay? Cut. Cut. Just keep cutting at the same length, okay? And you can do some pieces shorter because it gives it a staggered effect when you do it that way. But you can do them all the same, or you can do some short, some long. Some short, some long. Some short, some short, and some long. Y'all, I'm just being goofy today, that's all. Trying to get y'all ready for the Valentine's holiday that's on its way. I am so excited to hear about how much money y'all make. I really am. So here, you just keep your hand pinched in the middle, okay? And you already will have a pipe cleaner here, or whatever it is that you tie your baskets together with. And just go right in the middle and twist it really tight. Really tight. And cut it off right at the end. And then take it and spread it open like that, sort of give it like a butterfly fly away look, okay? Now, how about that? Doesn't this look much better than the way that it was before without a bow? So make sure that you're paying close attention to details. Even though you may have just started, or maybe you've been doing it for a long time and you still haven't learned how to do a bow, make sure that you are doing everything you can to make your gift baskets look better than they did the year before or the month before, okay? The second little project I want to bring into play on this video is this right here, okay? This is I don't even know what you want to call it, a centerpiece. We'll just call it a centerpiece for lack of a better word. I made this from the Dollar Tree, okay? This is nothing but a glass that's upside down, and it has a bowl on top. Both of these items came from the Dollar Tree. A upside down glass and a bowl from the Dollar Tree. And we are going to use this as if it were a basket or a platter, okay? And I had quite a few of these. I made these for a birthday celebration I did for my son. And we used this on the candy table. And all of them had, all of these arrangements had candy in them. But then I was stuck with all of these centerpieces with nothing to do. So what do we do, boss buddies? We find a way to make some money. We make money off of everything around here. If you ain't into making money, this is not the channel for you. But if you're into making money, this is the channel for you. You can use a shrink wrap bag and just do the shrink wrap upside down. Or you can use cellophane, okay? Cellophane, crystalphane, whichever one you have. And we're just going to place it over the gift like this. And I should have put a bigger piece. But just pull it down as firmly as you can. Oh, I didn't even tell y'all what was in it. Anyway, I have a candle in it that I got from my Dollar General haul. I got a Bible from the Dollar Tree. I got some peanut brittle that I got from my Dollar General haul. And here I have some earrings that came from my boutique. And they've been sitting on the shelf. So, y'all know my video I made previously about how to get rid of items that you've had sitting on your shelf at your store, in your boutique, and you have not sold them. Now is the perfect time to sell them. I promise y'all that everything sells for Valentine's Day. At least it does in North Carolina. Now, I'm just believing that the same thing is true wherever you live. Valentine's Day, everything sells. Not nothing you throw together, of course, but things that you put attention onto, it's going to sell. So this is a much more elegant look. You know, because I know a lot of people are saying they don't like to use, and that is me as well. I definitely do not like to use baskets from Dollar Tree. You will see in some of my videos where I use the plastic containers, but I doll them up a little bit. I do not leave them like they are. And I love Dollar Tree. It's one of my favorite stores. But I am a stickler for not putting everything in your basket from Dollar Tree. If we're going to put Dollar Tree items in there, I want to mix other items in there as well to make it look more high-end, okay? So what you see me here doing is just taping the cellophane together because I cut it a little bit too small. But guys, we do not waste money around here. What we're not about to do is throw this cellophane in a trash can. We're gonna tape it around in the places that was not long enough. We're just gonna tape it down, and that's why this transparent tape is a game changer, because you will never see where the transparent tape is. That's the whole purpose of it being transparent, so you cannot see. So here it is complete, right? Let me show you guys another cheap and easy way to do a bow for those of you that do not know. Now this mesh here came from Walmart, but they have the smaller rows at Dollar Tree. For those of you that cannot afford to get it from other stores, just go to Dollar Tree. You have to do what works for you. And trust me, I have not always been able to go to different stores and buy stuff. So trust me, there's no excuse that you can have that I have not had, okay? But when you want to make money and you want to make a change for you and your family, then you do whatever you got to do to make money, okay? So what I'm going to do is just go through and cut the mesh in sections. My video getting a little long, so let me speed up. We just gonna cut it in sections just like this. And this is at the end of the roll, so really I could have left it without cutting it, because it's already rolling up doing what I needed to do. So again, this is another way to do a bow for those of you that still don't want to challenge yourself, which I beg you to challenge yourself. That's the only way you're going to grow and advance, is to challenge yourself. So just roll it up in tubes. Tubes. Just roll it up. Roll it up and grab it in the middle. Or if you don't want to roll it up, you can just simply pinch it until it comes together like that. And here, we're going to bring it over again. Always keep these fingers pinched together, okay? We're going to bring it over. And get it as tight as you possibly can. Cut it off at the top. And spread it out. And there you have it. It's not a bow, but it gives you the bow look, right? And we're going to take it a step further. There's always detail. Sorry, guys. There's always details that you can add to your items to make them look more high-end, rather than just putting them together and not doing anything extra to them, okay? So we're just going to take one of our roses, or whatever type of flowers these are. We're going to call them roses, okay? Somebody probably on that video saying that is not a rose. And then again, it might be. I don't know. Let me see what it says on the tab. It don't say. Anyway, whatever it is, we're going to put that there until it dries. And then there you have it. A cute gift that you probably spent, let's see. I guess I should start figuring this up before I get on these. videos how much it is. 125, 25, that's 150, 175, and like 13 cents. I'm going to say no more than $5 have you spent on this right here. And this right here can sell, you know, for me. I don't know how you guys price or sell, but for me, I can sell this for $28. Anywhere from $28 to $30. Definitely 30. I could definitely get 30 with no problem where I sell it. So, guys, I want to tell you to make sure that you're paying attention to details and that you're going, I don't want to say the extra mile, because you do not have to go an extra mile to make things pretty, but I will say take an extra step to make things look beautiful, and you will be able to sell even more than what you're selling. I look forward to hearing the great reports of my boss buddies and what you guys are going to be selling and how you did. I'm so anxious to hear that. But guys, I'm going to go ahead and end this video because it has gotten very long, okay? But I hope you've learned something, okay? Make sure that you share and that you like this video, okay? Until the next video, bye-bye.